Trainers, get ready to shine bright in Pokémon GO's January schedule. Today, we're putting the spotlight on the Foongus Spotlight Hour, the event that's stealing the show. Join us as we uncover what makes this event stand out among the rest. During the Foongus Spotlight Hour, the mushroom Pokémon takes center stage with increased spawns, making it easier for trainers to catch. But that's not all. There's a special double Stardust bonus, allowing trainers to earn double the usual amount of Stardust for every Pokémon caught during this hour. Trainers are raving about the Foongus Spotlight Hour, praising the increased spawns, Stardust bonuses, and the overall experience of the event. It's a golden opportunity for Stardust hunters to stock up and evolve the elusive Amoonguss. As January unfolds, the Foongus Spotlight Hour remains a shining star in Pokémon GO's event lineup. Mark your calendars for this fantastic hour of gameplay and boost your Stardust reserves. Stay tuned for more Pokémon GO updates. I'm SciTech Nexus, signing off. Happy hunting, trainers!